welcome back to another Sunday. Now I know y'all read Hall and Emelina and Hall are like two different things. And even I was thinking this is something that I don't usually do. But guess what? Everybody wears clothes, everybody does online shopping. So I thought, Ami Koreano online shopping, so we go there. Online shopping. Everybody jump in the well. Tu hi buy thodi mat. Mami ra ho gaya, video pot mo ge. Yeah, so this rat online shopping. Nakazala mar ge biro panado tina. Rope sorta tinga. Paige potla hanu. Yeah, sorry about my nosy parents, but getting back to the video, if you think about online shopping, I'm pretty much sure you all must have heard about Meesho. It's an Indian e-commerce app wherein you can buy top quality products at the most affordable prices. It is trusted by 1 crore plus users across India. You can shop anything from the 50 lakhs plus products that they have, whereas it is men's fashion, women's fashion, or something regarding your home and kitchen or kids wear, anything that you want to buy is available on this app. If you didn't already know, you can also earn from the Meesho app by selling your own products via your contacts through WhatsApp, Instagram and other social media platforms. Honestly, when I downloaded the app and opened it, I was a little skeptical because I saw the prices were so low and the products pictures, I was doubtful. I was like, this is going to be a scam. But to my surprise, the quality is all worth it for the price you pay. I can bet on that. So if you download the app and order for the first time, you are going to get 30% discount or 100 rupees off on your first order. Free delivery across India and COD is also available. So yeah, definitely do check it out. But before that, let's see what I got for my haul. So without any much blabbering, let's just get started. After placing the order, I got my products within say 15 days, within a span of 15 days I'd say, because I ordered a couple of them. So the first thing that I got from the Meesho app is this black top. This is how it looks when I wear it. I mean, I'm trying, okay? I am really trying. It looks really nice and the quality is really good. I mean, for the price that I paid for it, I expected not so much of a good quality. I paid somewhere around 349 rupees for this and I pretty much like it. So yeah, you can wear it with I think a blue jeans or whatever you want to wear it. But this is how it looks and I'm quite happy with it, I'd say. Yep, so let's take the next thing. The next thing that I got is this really cute looking zebra top. Okay, it looks really nice. The quality is good. I mean, it's not stretchy, it's not cotton, it's like polyester, but it's really nice. And you know, this thing is in trend. If you want to look like a zebra, a cute one, definitely go for this top. It fits perfectly, it fits like a glove. I mean, I ordered this in X. Usually I'm in XS because I'm extra small, as you can tell. But yeah, that's how it looks and I'm pretty happy with it. Now the next thing I got is this really cute sling bag. I mean, I'm a fan of sling bags. Like you'll see me with a sling bag anywhere I go. For 300 rupees, guys. For the quality, it's like really good for 300 rupees. It's not even like those sasta kind of bags. If you can see, it has this kind of a pattern. It's not that fancy, but it's quite decent. And yeah, I quite like it. For 300, again a very good deal. So the next thing that I got is this mesh top, which is really cute, and this is how it looks on me. It's like the Zagamaga top and you can wear it for anyone's birthday. कोणागे 21st birthday अभी वचपाक जाल्या आणि तुमको present ना जाल्या तुम present जाण होयचे. So yeah, as I was saying, this is like a party wear or maybe for a fancy dinner. I mean, it's shiny. But for a mesh material, it's like really high quality. I wish you all could like see it. But yeah, I quite like it. So I got this for somewhere around 305, which is a very good deal. As I said, the zebra top was for 395. This one was for around 305. The product codes would be in my description. So yeah, you can definitely check them out. So yeah, the next thing that I got is this cute lavender, as all the influencers call it. I thought it's gonna be like tight, you know, hugging material. It is that sort, but it's quite decent. This is how it looks on me. I mean, I love the fit and it's really soft. It's not bad on the skin at all. You know, some tops are really itchy. And this cute boota in the front. I mean, I like it. The next thing is my favorite thing. It's this kurta I got for 590 rupees and I've been searching for this particular embroidery kind of a material for the longest time. I know you won't see me wearing kurtas, but I wanted to get my hands on one of these. Since it's like a translucent material You know, it comes along with the inner already. So the only problem with me is sizing. I am like tiny, so this was like small and I'm extra small. So I have to alter it a little bit. Other than that, it's a 10 on 10 for me. I really like it and this is how it looks on me. As I said, I love the material, I love the quality, I even like the embroidery. It's really genuine for the price that I paid. They had other colors too, but I went for black because it really looks classy for some reason. So yeah, I'm very happy with it as well.
Oj, सारखे चोड बसता like a girl. चोड येशे. सोयरी के भी ओरपाचे.
I said that because I dress up like a homeless boy most of the time. And the last thing that I got are these cute earrings. This is one pattern that I got, which I was wearing in the thing that I showed you. And the second pattern is this. They look quite heavy and I am a hater of earrings, but these are so light and I really like them. So I got like 2 pair for a 137, which is quite a good deal, I'd say, for these kind of earrings. And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it was something different and I tried it for you guys. So do comment down below and let me know which was your favorite part about this video. If you like it, do hit the like button. Comment down below, as I said, share it with your friends. And if you all like my videos and want to support me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. Just a reminder once again, the product codes for all the products shown in this video are given in the description along with the link for the Meesho app. And if you download the Meesho app, on your first order you are going to get 30% discount or 100 rupees off.
30% discount? Oi, te pachiro? Yay, makay do 90 margo bay. And for me one kasha black color coffee. Ma ani do doge honan ka tenu maka.
Link in the description. Aikila, begin korai, dogai download korai. Until then, more and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.